Hello, today we will guide you through how to upload files to GitLab. To begin, open GitLab in your web browser and make sure you are on the home page. This is the starting point for accessing your repositories and managing your work. If you are already signed in, you should be able to move straight into your dashboard. If not, complete your sign-in first so you can access your projects. Once you are on the GitLab homepage, look to the left-hand navigation area and click on Projects. This section is where GitLab keeps the repositories you own or have access to. Selecting projects will take you to a view where you can browse available repositories and choose the one you want to update. From the list of projects, click on the project you want to work in. In this example, the project shown is a sample project, but you should select the repository where you want your file to be uploaded. Opening the correct project is important because the file will be added directly into that repository. After the project page opens, move your attention to the top right area of the screen and click the plus sign. This button opens a quick menu with several options for adding new content to the project. It is a common shortcut in GitLab, so it is useful to remember if you plan to make updates often. In the menu that appears, click Upload File. This will open the file upload area, where GitLab allows you to add files directly through the browser. This option is especially helpful when you need to quickly place a file into a repository without using command line tools or a separate Git application. From there, follow the on-screen procedure to complete the upload. Typically, this means choosing the file from your computer, confirming where it should go inside the repository, and reviewing the changes before saving them. Take a moment to make sure you have selected the correct file and that it is being uploaded to the correct location. If GitLab asks for a commit message, write a clear description so others can understand what was added. Once you finish the prompts on screen, your file should be uploaded and visible in the project. That is all it takes to add files directly to GitLab using the web interface. If you upload files regularly, this can be one of the fastest and simplest ways to keep your repository up to date.